Thank you for considering Plate Recognizer for your Eagle Eye cameras. Get highly accurate license plate recognition with zero hassle, instantly. We are Plate Recognizer, headquartered in Silicon Valley, serving 90+ countries with our built-from-scratch ALPR engine. We have designed our LPR to work in a variety of real-world environments, such as dark, blurry images, speedy cars, and more. Our neural networks identify the actual license plate, ignoring bumper stickers and other signs on the vehicle. Our software successfully decodes U.S. license plates, tackling icons, double, triple-stack characters, and vanity plates. We even uniquely tune our algorithms to handle the propensity of vanity plates in each state. Our engine decodes the license plate, plate region, such as the country and state, vehicle type, vehicle make, model color, orientation, and direction of travel. Results can be forwarded to our ALPR dashboard, where you get awesome features such as complex search, custom alerts, a vehicle CRM, and more. We integrate with Eagle Eye networks in the cloud, so there's no need to deploy any hardware on site. Upon motion detection, we grab a short video clip and analyze it in our cloud. Results are sent to our ParkPow dashboard or to your system. With Plate Recognizer, you automatically get updates of our LPR engine. This keeps you current on new plate styles, improvements on lighting conditions, and more. And, of course, you'll get new features from our dashboard as they become available. Setting up Plate Recognizer with Eagle Eye takes less than 5 minutes. Just sign up for a free 30-day trial on platerecognizer.com and click a few buttons to activate Eagle Eye networks. Then, share the specific Eagle Eye cameras and set motion detection in those cameras. You're now ready to see the results in our ParkPow dashboard. Plate Recognizer costs $35 a month per camera. You can add vehicle make, model, color, orientation, and direction of travel for an additional $10 a month per camera. And for a limited time, all subscriptions placed in the year 2021 get our ParkPow dashboard for free. That's a savings of $15 a month per camera. In summary, with Plate Recognizer, you get highly accurate LPR that works in real-world environments, identifies the real license plate, and handles tough USA plates. You get LPR with zero hassle through a simple cloud-to-cloud integration. There's no need to install any hardware, and all software updates are automatically deployed. Best of all, you can get up and running in under 5 minutes with our no-risk, no-pressure free trial. Get highly accurate ALPR with zero hassle instantly with Plate Recognizer. Give us a try.